Komisi Benta Ban Pai Khmat Ban Ai Gijing Sumar Sukher Yakinong Tre Sarkar Ki Bapang Bashitam Jang Ka Meglaya Secretariat. Ka Sarkar Jela Hak Shitrik Urampang Arajar Arpuar Kala Play Ya Ka Secretariat Health Clinic Ha Additional Secretariat Ha Kenong Ba Shillong. Ya kene kejaka ai jing sumar la play de Menteri Sarkar uba kemi ya ke Secretariat Administration Department SAD uba Renekton leng dok tongkar ha ka balaydon lang ke Commissioner bat Secretary SAD ikong MN Nampoi ke Secretary jong ke SAD ikong VRCM bat kiwe ki he officer ke jela. Habakran ke jingelang uba Renekton leng dok tongkar ulong ba thong ban play ya kene kejaka ai jing sumar ke dai ban ai jing sumar kinong trei ha Secretariat. Ki Bapang Bashitam bat kalong ru kum kejing ais ngobhai kinong trei khamtam haba ke jela Meghalaya kadang rakhe kejing dap san posnem kejing yo ela kejong ke jela. Ulong babrosh kata kinong trei ke Secretariat ki haban mare ki hospital haba ki Kampang. Nri mentakim dan kamcu ban kuslai namar kejaka sumar kladon upah Secretariat. Ule thoru bahapok kene kejaka sumar ondan uwe doktor bat arngot kinas bat kawai ke farmasi na kebenta ban sam dawai ya kinu ki Bapang. Bat on saburu iko ke ambulans ban kit ginong pang ki bestamjur syaki hospital ban yo ke jing sumar ke Bakhambha.
Let me put one word by saying that we all know and we believe that health comes first of all things. Even though in Meghalaya Secretariat, the Department of SAD find difficulty to accommodate all the officers who need rooms, all the chairman, MLAs who need room in Meghalaya Secretariat, but somehow the department had managed to get the facility to provide room for the health clinic here in Meghalaya Secretariat. I'm very happy that as we celebrate a year-long Golden Jubilee celebration, we can give to the people of the state, we can give to the staff and officers working in Meghalaya Secretariat to have this facility now, that they can get medical assistance right from the office of Secretariat itself.